In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the Monday.com app and make sure it's working properly afterward. To get started, open the App Store on your device or go to the desktop location where Monday.com is installed. The exact place you open will depend on whether you're using a phone, tablet, or computer, but the goal is the same. You want to get to the place where app updates are managed. If you're on a mobile device, this will usually be your regular app store. If you're on a desktop, it may be a software manager, app marketplace, or the installed applications area. Once you're there, search for Monday.com. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct app, especially if there are similar names or related tools showing up in the results. Opening the correct app page is important because this is where you'll be able to check its current status and see whether an update is available. Now look for an update button. If you see one, that means a newer version of the app is ready to install. Updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and new features, so it's a good idea to keep the app current whenever possible. If the button says open instead, that usually means you're already on the latest version and no action is needed at this stage. If an update is available, click update and let the process begin. Depending on your internet speed and device performance, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. During this time, it's best to keep the device connected to the internet and avoid closing the App Store or interrupting the installation. Let it complete fully so the update installs correctly. After the update finishes, reopen the Monday.com app. Starting it fresh helps ensure the new version loads properly. If the app had been running in the background before the update, reopening it now gives you a clean launch and helps prevent temporary issues. Finally, log in and confirm that the app works correctly. Check that it opens normally, your account loads as expected, and the main features respond properly. You don't need to test everything in detail, but it's helpful to make sure the app is stable and usable after the update. And that's it. By checking for updates regularly and confirming the app works afterward, you can help keep Monday.com running smoothly and avoid common performance issues.